Hi there. Give time to happiness. If you don't give time to happiness, nothing stays with you. Nothing stays with you if you don't give time. Nothing comes to you if you don't give time. Let's say if you want to watch a movie, if you don't have time, 3 hours or 2 hours, whatsoever the duration of the movie, if you don't have the time, definitely you cannot watch that movie. If you want to learn something, you have to invest some time to learn something. Otherwise, you cannot learn it. If you want something, you have to take your time to go to that space and get it. Are you getting me? If you want somebody in your life, then you have to give time to them. That is when they stay with you. Otherwise, even they leave. So, time is very important. Giving time to what you require is very, very important in life. So, give time to happiness. If you really want happiness in your life, give time to it. Create some space to understand what happiness is. How many of you actually know what happiness is? Do you really know what it is? Or generally, just like that, we think this makes us happy, that makes us happy, and we do it. If somebody asks you a question whether you're really interested in that, whether something really gives you happiness, I don't know how many of you give answer to it genuinely. Are you getting me? So think of it, question yourself. It's the time to question. Think of all of these things. And if you really want happiness in your life, just give time to it. That's all for today. Bye bye for now.